Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain what is algorithm and analysis of algorithms. In my videos on data structure basics, I have explained how data structure and algorithms are interconnected and how these two concepts are very important for computer science students. So let's begin. So what is algorithm? An algorithm is a set of well-defined instructions in a sequence to solve a problem, and it can be any problem. You can just think about any real-life problem. Suppose I'm asking you to put a book on the box, then what will be the steps to do that? First, you need to open the box, then you need to pick up the book, and third, you have to put it inside the box. So, algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step process or instruction to solve any problem. So, it is the best way to represent a solution of a particular problem in a very simple and efficient way. It is an efficient method that can be expressed within finite amount of time and space. And moreover, it is independent from any programming languages. Now, algorithms must possess certain qualities. To write an algorithm, input and output should be defined precisely. Then each step in the algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Algorithm should be most effective among many different ways to solve a problem. An algorithm should not include computer code. Instead, the algorithm should be written in such a way that it can be used in different programming languages. Now, why do we need algorithms? So, it's very important to understand the basic idea of the problem, then to find an approach to solve the problem, then to improve the efficiency of existing techniques, then to understand the basic principles of designing the algorithms, to compare the performance of the algorithm with respect to other techniques, and it is the best method of descriptions without describing the implementation details. The algorithm gives a clear description of requirements and goal of the problem to the designer. A good design can produce a good solution. To understand the flow of the problem and to measure the behavior or the performance of the methods in all cases, like best case, worst case, average cases, and about these cases I'll be talking later. Then, with the help of an algorithm, we can also identify the resources like memory, input, output, cycles required by the algorithm. With the help of algorithm, we can also convert art into a science to understand the principle of designing. Then we can measure and analyze the complexity in terms of time and space of the problem concerning input size without implementing and running time of the program. So next is the analysis of an algorithm. Algorithm analysis is an important part of computational complexity theory, which provides theoretical estimation for the required resources of an algorithm to solve a specific computational problem. Most algorithms are designed to work with inputs of arbitrary length. The analysis of algorithms is the determination of the amount of time and space resources required to execute it. So, we analyze an algorithm in terms of time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity is the running time of a program as a function of the size of the input, and space complexity means how much space an algorithm needs to complete the task. The space complexity analysis was critical in the early days of computing when storage space on the computer was limited. So when considering these algorithms are divided into those that need extra space to do their work and those that work in place. But nowadays, problem of space rarely occurs because space on the computer or internal or external is enough. So therefore, we mainly concentrate on the time complexity. So generally, we perform the three types of time complexity analysis. One is worst case, the maximum number of steps taken on any instance of size n. Second is the best case, which is the minimum number of steps taken on any instance of size n. Then the third one is average case, an average number of steps taken on any instance of size n. So in the next video, I am going to discuss about asymptotic notations. That means how we can calculate this worst case, the best case and the average case. Thank you a lot.